Oh, I like this song. It's a good song. Send me the link on Facebook. Please turn on your guys' cameras. Whoa, look at that spin. Hi, Evelyn. Hi, Noel. Hi, Athena. Hi, CJ. Hi, Madison. Please turn on your camera. Jalea, please turn on your camera. Hi, Sophia. Hi, Aries. And Dion. Susan, please turn on your camera. Jalea, turn on your camera. Okay. Hi, Madison. Yeah, please tie your hairs up. Tie your hair up. Tie your hair up. Hair up, hair up. That's fine. Yes, Noel. That's good. Thank you, Noel. Emery or Esme. Oh, do you guys have like a black shirt? You guys put on the black shirt? If you guys have a black shirt, please put on your black shirt. Luna, she's my friend. She's a good friend of mine. Luna, I miss Luna.
Her voice is really nice.
Yeah. Okay, just wait for people to turn on the cameras and then we get started. So today we know that who's not here? Who has a birthday coming up? Raise your hand. When's your birthday, Noel?
May 2nd.
May 2nd. Ooh, that's very soon. May 2nd. How old are you? Turning
Now on 9.
29? Or you turning 10?
I'll be turning 10.
Oh, wow. Anyone else? Anyone's birthday in the end of this month or next month? When's yours, CJ?
May 31st.
May 31st. Oh, wow. Okay. And then Diana's is on, what is it?
Dano's last Sunday.
Oh, it's last Sunday. Well, happy late birthday, Diana. Kind of like to learn your birthdays too, just so I like, we know when your birthday is. And then Athena's was March 25th. Anyone else's birthday that passed? So we had Diana's that passed, Athena's that passed. So Diana, yours March. What is it again? March. Sorry, in the
With April.
chat. Oh, April.
Or
Sorry,
just April.
April
18th.
April 18th, and then Athena's was March 25th, and then Jalia's was April 1st. Wow, a lot of people's birthdays passed. Evelyn was April 5th. Wow, okay. So it's March 25th, April 1st, April 5th, and then April 18th, right? And then we have March 2nd and March 31st coming up, right? Oh, May. So May 2nd, May 31st. Annabelle. January 26th. Oh, wow. It's like all the years passed already. Well, happy late birthday to all of you. Next year, we will remember to give you guys a shout out. Mine isn't until the end of the year. Mine is December 19th. So it's all the way at the end. Summer, when's your birthday?
July 12th. So it's in the summertime.
Oh, it's coming up. Yeah.
Yeah.
All of you are like summer babies, spring summer babies. Am I the only winter baby here? I think so.
I think so.
It's okay. Okay, let's get started with our warm up. Okay, let's just shake out our hands real quick. Shake out your hands, warm up our hands. Okay, we're gonna start with a new kind of warm up. Okay, let's tap our hands, tap your hands, and wake your body up. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, tap, tap your face a little bit so your face can be ready to smile. Tap your shoulders, tap your stomach, your legs. So waking your body up, waking your body up. I know that it's like 2, almost 1 in the afternoon, but okay. Now I want you to use your fingers and like just tap your body real quick. Tap, tap, tap. Tap your face. Make sure your face is waking up. Tap, tap, tap. Okay. Turn your legs, your feet, everything. Okay. Now we're gonna squeeze, just squeezing it, massaging your body. Because we love our body and we want to make sure we take care of our bodies. Okay, now just press your face just a little bit. Press, press, press. Press, press, press. Press your legs. Let's do the right leg first. Or now do your left leg. Press, press, press. Make sure you wake up your whole body. Okay, let's also reach really far to the side. Good, now reach all the way up to the ceiling. Okay, now put your feet in front of you and reach all the way down to your toes. Reach your toes. Okay. Now let's turn our bodies to our right side and just twist our body. Bring your right knee up like this and twist your body. Okay, now to the other side. Okay. Let's start with our hand warm-ups. All right. So, do you remember our hand warm-ups? Let's go through it without music first. Ready? And then we do with music after. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 hands go. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 again, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and hit, throw, hit, throw, hit, throw, hit, throw, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 2 hand, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Okay, we're gonna add a new one at the end, but then we'll do that later. Music. Any questions on the hand exercise? No? Okay.
Can you still see the kids?
I can see. I can't see them as a big group, but I can scroll through.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cause let me expand this. Cause if you put it to gallery, it will expand and you can see all of them. Cause right now I can see all of them. You're on mute.
Let me see. I don't know how I can do the gallery thing. I can't do that with like this.
Here, I'll make you co-host. Let's see if that works. Do you see the where it says gallery?
I don't see gallery. Maybe the version that I have. I'm gonna have to do like download the new version.
Oh,
But
okay.
you can go ahead and look at them. I'll just lead.
Okay.
Yeah. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and throw. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2 hand. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and hit, throw, and hit, throw, and hit, throw, and hit, throw, hit, throw, hit. 7, 8, and 2 hands. Hit, throw, and hit, throw. Then 8 and 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Shake out your hands. Okay, stretch your hand down. Good. Any questions on the warm-up? Okay, we're gonna do the same thing 2 times. 2 more times. Okay, stretch your other hand. CJ, you have a question?
I'm just stretching.
Okay. Good. Shake out a hand. Okay, do it 2 more times. Ready? With music. Hands up. 2. And 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Throw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 hands. 1, 2, 3, four, five, six, seven again, and two, two, three, four, five, six, seven, hit, throw, throw, four, five, six, seven, eight, two hands, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, two, two, three, four, five, six. Good. Okay, take your hands out. So you can just let it play, just so you don't have to keep getting up and down.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, shake your hand down. Good. Other side. Good. Shake it out. Okay, hands up. And 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and throw. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, two hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit throw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Two hands. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Okay, three hands. Okay, let's roll our wrists. Roll our wrists. Roll your wrists. Good. Any questions on the warm up? Hello. Okay, hands down. Good. Okay, other side. Is that you? Who's sending? The Hmong Association?
I think that's Gola.
Oh, okay. Okay. Hey, so we just did the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's the hands, the new part's gonna go 1, 2, 3. So you're always grabbing to the front, okay? So we go grab to the front, grab to the front, grab to the front, grab to the front. Okay? So it's gonna be the same thing as this one, but we're just doing it together now, okay? So it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Does that make sense? A little bit? Any questions? Good? Okay, give me thumbs up if you understand. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Okay, good. Okay, let's take it from just the single ones. 1, 2, yeah. Ready? 5, 6. Some hands here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Single. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So whenever you click, this is a click. This is called what we call a click. Click. Okay. So you click to the front. You open to the side. Okay. then to the front, to the side, to the front, to the side. You just keep switching that. Okay, let's take it front with music just from the top. Okay, hold on. Seven, go, and down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, throw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Two hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hit, throw, hit, throw, hit, throw. 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Two hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 hand, and 2 hands. 3, 7 again, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Shake your hands. Okay. Resort steps. Everyone stand up. All right. Let's just go right into it. Any questions on the stepping? Last week we added the dip, right? The dip. Yeah. Okay. Any questions on the stepping? No? And today I'm going to add something else to the stepping exercise as well. All right. If there's no questions, then let's get started. For this one, play the other song that I sent you. Okay, ready? Everyone, ting doa. Ting doa means to do this. Remember, ting doa. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and dip. And 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 again. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Dip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 again. And 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Dip, dip, and dip, and 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, good. Okay. The next part of the exercise is called the prancing pony. Everyone say prancing pony.
Prancing pony.
Nang. Yeah, prancing pony. Okay, so the prancing pony, let's go 7, 8. We're gonna stay with we're gonna kind of bounce onto our right side. So bounce, 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 bounce. Okay? Does everyone see? So we're gonna go 7, 8. We're gonna fall, 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 fall. So if you look at my feet, I don't know if you can see my feet. One side is on my toes, one side is on my feet. Fall, 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 something like this. Fall, 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 fall. Can you stop sharing so I can see the whole gallery?
Yeah.
I can't see. Yeah, sorry. Thank you. Okay, let's try it again. So the prancing pony is go fall, fall. So just look at my feet. I am fall, 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 fall. So my right foot or my left foot is on the toe like this. And I fall flat onto my right foot like that. Okay? So it's called prancing pony. So do 4 on this side and 4 on this side. Repeat 4 on this side, 4 on this side. So, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So kind of bouncing, bounce, down, down, down. Does it make sense? Anyone has any questions? I know on video it's kind of hard to see what I'm doing, but so it goes. You're stepping on the tippy toe on one side and the flat on the other side. So tippy toe, flat, 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 tippy toe, flat. Any questions? Okay, let's just try our right side. Ready? So everyone watch, follow Summer and then I'll watch, okay? Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, let's just do 8 on one side, 8 on the right side. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you should feel like you're bouncing, kind of like you're bouncing. You go bounce, 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 bounce. Yeah. Any questions? Okay, let's try the other side now. Let's try the other side. Ready? 5, 6. So now we're to be on our left side and falling onto our right side and falling onto our left foot. Okay, so and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The prancing pony. Okay, let's put them both together. Ready? So we do our right side first and our left side. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Let's try that with music, and then we'll take a break, and then come back and learn the finish Summer's part, and then we'll learn my part. Just the bouncing part. Let's do the single step to the hip, and then the bouncing pony. What? Go ahead on. we have a question. Hold on. Summer, pause the music. Question? You keep practicing, okay? Just watch closely. What do you have a question on?
Sophia will help you learn.
What do you have a question on, Paisley?
Is it the working? Yep. The hands? The bounce?
Say it louder.
It's the one way down.
The bounce, you bounce on one side only. Bounce, 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 bounce. And the other side, bounce on one side only. Only one side.
Good legs.
Only one side, okay?
Don't what?
Okay, we keep practicing, okay? Ready with music, everyone? Okay, music. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And dip. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dancing pony. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. Okay, let's do that one more time and then we'll take a break. One more time and then we'll take a break. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Dip. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pony. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Okay. Let's take a 5-minute break. So at 1:40, we come back. Okay, grab some water. 1:40. Okay, everyone come back. Okay, while Summer is teaching, I'm gonna watch, okay?
Okay, make sure you guys go on. Make sure I can see you guys. We're gonna finish the rest of my part. We only have a little bit left, okay? Okay, everybody up on their feet. Everybody up on their feet.
Oh, I forgot to mention that I had to leave early today at 2:30, so I'll teach what I have until 2:30, and then I have to leave. And then Summer will continue reviewing with the dance with everyone, okay? Go ahead and say that in the beginning of class. Oh, shoot. You played that? I can't see everybody. um,
Oh.
first, just review without music first.
Okay.
Without music first. And then just so I can see everybody. And then do music.
Okay. So, girls, we're gonna review what we learned last week and the week after that. Okay. So without music. Okay. So ready position. You guys remember ready position. Ready position. I need my glasses for this. Ready position. Ready position. Is everyone ready? Up on your feet. Ready position.
Diana, where's Diana?
Diana.
Diana, pitching toko. Diana mutu ne. Susan
Diana.
also.
Oh,
Susan, come mutu oh. Oh, there you are.
Susan. Diana, let's go. Everyone, make sure you guys are standing up and ready in position.
Make sure your posture. Remember, no T-Rex arms. Athena, no T-Rex arms. Jalea, not too straight, okay? Just a little bit bent. Yeah, there you go. There you go, Jalea. Hi, Diana. Well, nice of you to join us.
Okay,
Okay.
ready? Ready position.
Okay, Esme, Emery, remember, get ready position.
Ready position. Make sure you guys space out. If you guys have your sister next to you, so you guys have space, okay?
Yeah, so yeah, there you go. Good, good.
Okay, from beginning, okay? So there's the second flute, and you guys, I'm gonna count. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And you guys go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You guys go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you guys go hit, down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sweep. Up. Down. Roll. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Is it that much of music?
With music now. Ready position, ready position. This is the first move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My mind blanked out for a second.
Okay. Remember, everyone, always keep your posture. Do not let your posture down. Okay. Athena, you let your posture down a little bit. Esme, Emery, really work on your posture. Okay. Esme, Emery. Yeah.
Okay, from beginning, okay? Ready position, ready position. This is the first move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Wait. Let's start over. Start over. Start over. Start over. Let's start over. Start over. We didn't have everybody starting at the same time. We had Esme and Emery and Diana. They were doing something else. Okay. If you guys need us to wait a little bit, let us know. So we don't want to start without everybody. Okay. So it again.
Make sure you guys are paying attention, okay? From beginning position.
We have to start over. We will start over. Okay, let's continue. Let's finish the dance.
Okay, so the rest of the dance, we're finishing off here, right? When we do 1, 6, 7, 8. So after this, you're gonna go right chest, right hand to your right chest, left hand to your left chest. You're gonna go 1. You're gonna step with your right, and then left. You do the same thing, opposite way. Left, right, and you're gonna go around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's it. Okay. So just with your
For this part, can everyone lift your elbows up? Elbows up. I don't want to see this. I want to do this. Lift your elbows. Uh-huh. And even this part, lift your elbow, lift your elbows up, lift your elbows up. I don't want to see this.
I can't see you from my computer.
Okay. I want to see your elbows lifted up. This looks funny. Okay.
Okay, ready? Just your hands, okay? Just your hands. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3,
Lift your elbows up, elbows up.
4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So let's do that again. Ready? With just your hands, no feet right now. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4,
Lift your elbows, lift your elbows.
6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So with
Can we take that part slow? So it goes slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay.
You ready? So your feet now, okay? So your feet, you're gonna go 1, 2. No, you're gonna go 1. So you're gonna step 1, 2, and you're gonna step 1, and then you put your left foot on the back. 3, and then 4, 5, 6, and you're gonna step with your right. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 using your left foot down. So you put that all together. You put that all together. It's gonna go 1, 2,
Lift your elbows, lift your elbows.
4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's do that one more time. Ready? From this part, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so you're stepping.
You're gonna take that part. Take your time. Apart.
So let's start from here. Okay, let's start from that part. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you end with your left foot, okay? Okay, let's do everything without music, and we add in that part, and then we do that 2 times, and then we will do it with music, okay? Ready? From beginning, ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swoop up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chest, chest, out, hit, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's do it one more time, and then the next time we will do it with music, okay? Ready from beginning, ready? 1, ready position, ready position. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swoop up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's try that with music now. From beginning, beginning pose, beginning pose. Beginning pose, ready? The first flow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. be done. And then we'll move on to GE's part. Ready position, ready position. First note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Okay, one more time and then we're done with my part and then we'll move on to G's part, okay? Beginning pose, last one for now. First note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Okay. We'll get some water real quick and then we'll come back and then I'll teach my part. Okay, go get some water. So come back at 2:10, okay? Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, everyone come back. Everyone come back.
Everyone come back. Camera's on.
Okay. Diana, always waiting for Diana. Come on, girl. Hello, Diana. Okay, so the next part, she's gonna sing. So then the music basically stays the same. So she's gonna sing จี里跑不懂几个的啦啦啦啦咕嘟. Okay, so she's gonna go with your hands, both your hands. You swing into on the leaf position. Go step right, left, and from here you go click, click. Okay. Oh, there I am. Okay, again. So start with your right. You go right. I mean, we have. I'm going to teach you head in a little bit too, but there's head part. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then repeat 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Any questions? Let's all do it together. Stay with your right. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Questions? Okay. Any questions? No? No? Okay. Moving on from there. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From there, you're going to go step 1. Is it okay?
I can't see everyone, so.
Oh.
Yeah, my connection is like making it lag out.
Is everyone else is lagging too, or is it just?
I
Is
think it's
everyone
just,
okay? Okay. Let's just do that much then. Ready?
I'm lagging.
5. Huh? What? Can't hear you, Dana.
I'm lagging also. Summer just got kicked out. She's probably gonna join in a bit. Because our internet's really bad today.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you guys are using the same network, huh?
Yeah, we're using the same one.
Okay. Is everyone else okay though? Is everyone else okay? Give me a
Summer.
thumbs up if your internet is okay. Thumbs up, thumbs up. It's okay, it's okay. Okay. Let's try it again. So it's gonna be right, left, right, left. Again, right, left, right, left. So your head's gonna be tilt, tilt, look, look, tilt, tilt, look, look. Okay. So when we tilt, I want you to think our ears to our shoulder. So ears to shoulder. Everyone do it. Ears to shoulder. Ears to shoulder. When we look, I always tell my students, look with your chin. So if you want to look to the right, you look to the right with your chin. To the right with your chin. Or to the left with your chin, okay? If you look with your eyes, so everyone look, the difference. Can you guys see my eyes? I know I'm chinky, but you can see my eyes. So if I just dance, I look do this. Can you guys see my head looking? If I'm just doing this? No. So that's why I tell you, look with your chin. Your chin looks, look with your chin, look with your chin, look with your chin, okay? So let me just see everybody right now. Just do the head, head, chin, chin. Or ears, ears, chin, chin, okay? Let me see. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Ears, ears, chin, chin. Ears, ears, chin, chin. Good, okay? So when I say tilt, that means to do with your ears. When I say look, that means do with your chin, okay? Okay, so let's all put that together. All this. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let me see that without me. I just want to see you guys do the head. We'll do everything, but I'm focusing on the head. Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Aries and Ella. Hi. Okay, again. So starting with your right foot, okay? Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Ears, ears, chin, chin. Ears, ears, chin, chin. Okay, from here we're gonna go start with our right foot. Okay. So step with we just did our left. We looked. So we ended here. We're gonna go step with our right here. So both of our hands we open like this. Okay. From here, when our hands are gonna go up. So let me just do my hands real quick. I'm gonna go. My hands go up. So I carry. Looks like I'm carrying a plate. So go up, and it goes down, down. To look like this. Okay. So let's just do our hands to here. Carry the plate, and then come down 1, 2. Our hips are gonna go. We just did here. Here, our hips gonna go up, and then sit, sit. Let's do it again. So we just did here. Open your arms. You can carry the plate. Our hips go up, and then sit, sit. And our hands should be like this. Okay, any questions? Okay, let's take it from the beginning. 1, 2, and click, click. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and look, look, and tilt, tilt, and look, look, open, lift the plate, sit, sit. Remember it's like this, like I'm cute, I'm cute, I'm cute. Okay, let's do that much with music. So the part will become in is said 记里讨, okay? 记里讨 means since when I saw you. Diana, you okay? Okay. I can't hear the music. Can you guys hear the music?
If I go on mute, can you hear?
Oh, okay. I can hear now.
What part is it?
Go rewind a little bit. I think it's on. I might be asking Evil Door. Go rewind. Right there. Yeah, right, just play right there. Hold on, hold on. Ah! Hold on, it was like very laggy. Hold on, it was lagging for me too. Hold on. Let me see if I can share. I don't think I. Let me see.
I made you co-host, so I think you're able to share.
Okay, so I can share too. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can play the music. Sorry, ladies. Can you guys see my screen? Can you guys hear the music? Can you hear it? Can you hear it? Okay. Ready? 7, 7, 8. What? Hold on. Ah, wrong part.
I can't hear. It's very low.
Oh, you can't hear it?
No.
Hmm. Can you hear now?
No.
No.
No, it's still really low.
I was afraid it's gonna happen. Because for my computer, I think I had the old version, so it doesn't work too well.
Okay, let me try mine.
Yeah. Let me stop sharing my screen. Or we just do like the old how we did it last time.
Yeah.
Okay, we're just gonna play it like how we did last time, and then next week I promise we will try to get it. Right.
Sorry, the ads.
It's okay. You ready? 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Open. Up. 1, 2, 2. Yes. Okay, any questions? We really need to get this audio thing worked out.
Yeah. We're like going now.
Yeah. Okay, let's try without music actually. Let's just do without music since we can't since the music is kind of okay, ready? So we'll start from the 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, ready? Without music. Okay, ready? Um okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Open, lift, and sit, and sit. Good. And one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Open, up, sit, and sit. Okay, from here, we're going to open to the sky, open. We're going to do two hips on the right. So it's hip, hip, and the second hip, open down. Okay, so let's do our hands only. So we ended here, only hands. We go open, down, the other side, open, down, and again, other side, open, down, again, other side, open, down. Okay, for this part, we're going to do two hips on each side. Hip, 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 hip. Okay? Questions? Okay, let's put those two together, hands and the hips. So we go hip, 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 hip. Again, hip, 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 hip. And when you open, I want you guys to open to this. You open to your right side, and then your left side, right side, and then your left side. Okay. Any questions? Okay, let's try it again. 5, 6. So let's start with the right side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left. Okay, again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left. Good. Okay, now what I want you to do with your head, look up, look down, look up, look down, look up, look down, look up, look down. Okay? So it goes look up, look down, look up, look down, look up, look down, look up, look down. Okay? Let's try it just from here. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here, lift, sit, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Okay, let's try that without music, just all the way through again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, look, 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 and tilt, tilt, and look, look, and 1. Open, lift up, and sit, sit, and up, and down, up, and down, up, and down. Okay. Any questions? Let's do that one more time, and then since we can't do music today, let's just do one more time, and then we will. Then I do have to leave, but then Summer will continue on with you guys. Okay, I'm so sorry. I do have to go, but let's just do that one more time before I go. Ready? Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Open, lift, sit, and sit. Look up, look down. Look up, look down. Look up, look down. Look up, look down. Okay? Any questions? No questions? Okay. Sorry, girls. I do have to get going. I have an appointment in a bit. So Summer will continue on with everyone, okay? If you have any questions, feel free to message us or message me on the email, the Hmong Association of Long Beach email, okay? All right, good job, ladies.
Okay, girls. Since GE left, I think we would just end it here because it's been a long day dancing. So if you guys could please come up to the camera, please come up to the camera. We're gonna do a reflection of today, okay? Make sure I can see everyone, so please come up to the camera. We're gonna do a reflection of today's dance class. Okay. Can you guys hear me good? Thumbs up, you guys can hear me good. Thumbs up, you guys can hear me good. Okay, so we're gonna talk about what you guys like today of the dances. We learned the rest of them, okay? So when I unmute you guys, when I ask you guys to unmute, can you guys please unmute so you guys can reflect of what you guys liked about today's dance? Okay, Esme and Emery, what did you guys like about today's dance?
I like how we learned each step by the way slowly. I like how we
Emery?
did the other dance with up and down. I really like the new moves we did, especially the last one we did once, Yeah. I liked how we did this.
Mm-hmm.
I like the hand parts.
The hand parts, okay.
The part I liked best was this part.
Okay, Noelle.
The part I liked was that Julie, he taught us like the one you do the close and then the open.
Oh, yeah. Maddie.
I like when we put all the dance moves that we learned together with the song. Yeah.
Okay. Athena?
The part I liked was this part that we had to tilt our head and because it gave me more energy.
Oh, my screen is black. Continue, Hoki.
I like the part where you go like your audio is low. I like the part where we did like that, the new part, like that.
Oh, okay. You guys,
Summer, you're glitching.
can you guys hear me good? Oh, I'm
You're lagging.
glitchy. Yeah, sorry guys. It's my Wi-Fi today. But can you guys still hear me even if I'm frozen? Can you guys still hear me?
A little bit.
Yeah.
some
A little
words
bit?
we
Okay.
just
Little.
Oh, okay, okay. Sophia?
I like when we did this part, like where we did up and down.
Oh, the up and down. Okay. Susan?
I like when we learned about the movements of the new dance.
Mm. Diana? Diana? Diana, we're waiting on you to say what you liked about today's dance. Diana? Can you guys hear me? Am I laggy? Am I frozen?
no, you're all right.
I'm fine. Okay. Diana, can you please
What happened?
uh, tell us what you liked about today's dance and about the class?
Julie's part about our heads and our chins and our ears.
Head movements are really important. Okay, so before I let all you guys go, I want all of you guys to practice the dance. I will send out another email to your moms about the dance and Juyi's part of the dance, so you guys could practice. Okay, so you guys homework is to practice so that next week when I see you guys, I want to see you guys do it without me dancing with you guys. Okay, so give me a thumbs up if you guys heard that. Thumbs up. Put thumbs up in the comments because my screen is frozen. So thumbs up in the comments, or just said okay. Okay, so that's it for today's class. I see you guys next week, okay? Bye, guys. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, Sophia.